I'm going to share with y'all an old standby recipe for the 4th of July if you want to do something easy and easy to tote or whatever, easy to serve. It's just a macaroni salad, y'all, and I love them. And I make them much like I do my potato salad. And I love a warm macaroni salad. After you boil it and drain it and then just start mixing it all together, it's so good. I love that, just like I like my potato salad, warm potato salad. All right, so I've got what did we start with? 2 cups.
2 cups
of cooked macaroni. So you'd start with 1 cup of raw. And all this is to taste, y'all. It's eggs, celery, bell pepper, mayonnaise, my silly salt, a lemon pepper, and mustard. And that's it. And so I recommend that you just do it to taste. Just do it to taste. If you don't like celery, find something else to put in there. And I want to show you, and I just got through washing my hands, so I want to show y'all the way I chop an egg. I like to do it with my hands and just mash it. And it makes it like believable looking rather than a perfectly sliced egg. To me, this just looks like fresh.
Paula, what are you doing on 4th of July?
What am I doing on the 4th of July?
Have you got plans yet?
Nope. Do you?
Nope.
I'm going to stay right here at home and let the professionals have it.
I'm with you.
Because I'm not a professional.
And it's going to be hot.
Yes, it is. It is going to be so hot. Okay, come on, Paula. Where's your strength? Now I'm going to have to wash this one because of the egg. Okay, my silly salt. And you'll want to be careful because one of the main spices in lemon pepper is salt. So you don't want to overdo it. And I think it calls for a tablespoon of mustard. And there again, you can use it or not use it. And then we've got a cup of mayonnaise. And macaroni salad is a lot like potato salad. And homemade pimento cheese, when you put them in the refrigerator, you may think you got too much mayonnaise, but then there's a good chance you have to come back and add more because it absorbs it. Look how good that looks. Ready to go. Just that quick. Okay, I believe I will. I'm hungry. I don't think oops. I'm going to eat out of my mixing spoon. I love the crunch of the celery and the bell pepper, Teresa. Do you like that type of thing in your salads?
Yes.
So good. I don't know why this is something I don't make very often. I love making this just like this and adding tuna to it. A tuna macaroni salad. Michael and I love that. So that's it. Happy 4th of July. You can fall back on an old standby.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.